In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook Pixel to a GoDaddy website. If you want to track visitor activity, measure conversions, and improve your ad performance, connecting your Meta Pixel to your site is an important step. The good news is that GoDaddy makes this process fairly simple, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can get it done smoothly. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're logging into the account that manages the website you want to update. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for your profile area and click on it. This is usually where you can access your account-related options and the products connected to your GoDaddy account. From there, click on My Products. This section lists the services and websites you currently have under your account. Take a moment to locate the correct website plan, then find Website Plus Hosting and click on it. If you manage more than one website, be careful to choose the right one before moving on, since you'll be editing that specific site's settings. Next, click Manage. This will open the controls for your website and let you access the editing tools. Once you're in the management area, click Edit Website. This is where you can make changes to your site's design, content, and connected tools. After the website editor opens, go to Settings. This area contains the behind-the-scenes options for your website, including integrations like tracking tools and marketing features. Inside Settings, look for the Meta Pixel option and click on it. At this point, you'll see a field where you can paste your Meta Pixel ID. Copy your Pixel ID from your Meta or Facebook Events Manager beforehand, so you can paste it here quickly and accurately. Be sure you're pasting only the Pixel ID, not any extra code, unless GoDaddy specifically asks for it in a different format. Once the ID is pasted in, your website will be connected to your Meta Pixel setup. That's all you need to do to add Facebook Pixel to your GoDaddy website. After saving your changes, it's a good idea to test the connection from your Meta tools to confirm that the Pixel is active and receiving data correctly. This helps ensure your tracking is working before you start relying on it for ads or reporting. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Meta Pixel through GoDaddy, giving you a better way to track performance and understand what visitors are doing on your site.